Here we are today at Awenda Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada, and we're here for a weekend and hoping to do some kayaking on my inflatable kayak. Gonna get in the water and kayak maybe to the other shore somewhere and set up a little camp shelter, cook up some lunch, and yeah, and have some fun. So hope you like it, and let's go. Alright. Oh, I got water all over me. So here we go, guys. Beautiful day, a bit of wind, but not too bad. That's good. The wind is blowing us to the side. Send me more wind in the middle, see, you can feel it. We're gonna see if we find a place to put out land and see, maybe cook up some lunch. You can see, guys, it's my usual GoPlus kayak and yet another test. Hasn't let me down yet.
Is coming out of the... Is it coming out?
No, that's a bird. Must be a bird.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my God.
Yeah, there's wind. That's why people left, because it was a bit windy.
Hear the waves hitting the
yeah.
kayak. Because somebody else at the end over there.
Hmm?
At the end over there, two people.
Yeah, they went there and they're waiting it out, maybe that side. You can almost see the ground here.
Yeah, it's very shallow.
No, the best places were over there.
If you want to get out then.
Hold on a sec. Hmm? Okay, just looking for a good put out place here. These people came on the, maybe on the trail and came out down here. Fish? Yeah, big fish, yeah. This is where you fish if you had a fishing rod. That's it.
Where do you want to do it? Right here?
Get out. We can eat there.
Right here.
Out.
Wow.
No, no, just pull the handle. No, it doesn't go? Okay, leave it, leave it.
No, because you're already in.
My backpack. Oh, or maybe I'll make it. Kung Pao beef from Alpine Air Foods. Dehydrated meals for backpackers. So guys, some of you asked me what do I bring in my backpack. You can bring whatever you like, but essentials you should always bring with you. I have a large first aid kit, some paracord, always comes in handy, 550. I got a pot holder and knife sharpener. I was gonna put up a tarp, but I'm not staying too long, and it's not really raining or anything or windy. So for today, I'm just gonna leave it in the pack. Got my tarp. This is a standard 3 meter by 3 meter tarp. And here I got my folding grill slash table, and it's a regular grill which I added a piece of sheet metal, actually stainless steel metal sheet that you can still cook on it, grill in it, but it has a better base for to put things on, like your stove and other things. I got my cook set. Usually I put my gas inside of here, but this time I just got it hastily and had it outside. This is a 1.2 liter pot, stainless steel pot. With a cover, and you have a little handle where you can hang it over the campfire or just use it over your camp stove. The other thing I have is my Campingmoon stove, backpacker stove. Alright. You've seen in my other videos, it's got 4 pot supports. Most stoves have only 3. It's a lot more stable. There you go.
That spicy?
Let me see. First it's hot. Hot from heat, and looks like it's hot from spicy too.
It's okay, I don't want to try it because I don't like spicy food. It's all yours. And I already have my lunch.
Meat's still not rehydrated back. It's a little bit chewy.
Really?
But it tastes good. Maybe I'll leave down here.
With this view, beautiful.
Want to try a bit?
I don't like it spicy. No, thank you.
Let me see, just a little bit.
No. I'm full with the sandwich.
Yeah, she ate already. So
Yes.
she had sandwiches and stuff. You can go. Ready?
Yeah.
So guys, we're on our way back now. The sun is really heating up things here. It's probably around 26, 27 degrees, plus the humidity makes it feel hotter. But luckily, there are not many bugs. Coordination issues.
Well, tell me. I don't have eyes in my back.
No, just go. I'll follow you. Really going, eh? We're making waves. Say we're really going.
We're not going to there.
Oh,
We can make a spray. Oh, Rico, we have a shark in the back. Hurry up.
what shark?
Shark! Oh, Jaws! Hurry up!
Hey, don't tilt the boat so much. Yeah, you're going crazy now. You want to go for a swim?
No.
He's fooling around here, eh? Shaking the boat, in the kayak. So this lake here, Kettle Lake, they're lakes that were made when the glaciers melted in this area. And yeah, there was ice coming all around from those hills all around the area here, and it just deposited in this low area and melted, and lo and behold, the lake was formed.
Stop being so close.
You say get out of here. He's warning you.
Yeah.
That means don't bother me.
Yeah, okay, enough.
We're approaching the put out area. There's a lot of people there today.
Yeah.
Nice hot day. Everybody wants to be in the water.
That was really nice. Got it?
Yeah.